All right, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Prince back with another video. And today I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to install or add a LUT in Final Cut Pro. If anyone who does not know what a LUT is kind of like a filter, or kind of like your pictures and stuff like that. But it's like a filter for your videos. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and add and kind of show you guys how to do that in Final Cut. So the first thing we're going to go ahead and do, of course, is to open up Final Cut Pro. And the next thing we're going to go ahead and do is to find our custom LUT. That's our effect that we're going to go ahead and use. So we're going to click the effect button. And then from there, we're just going to go ahead and either type in the word LUT down at the bottom, or we can just simply go all the way down to custom LUT. All right, so once that's selected, you're just going to drag it over top of your video. All right, so on the right hand side, you should, the top right corner, you should see where it says custom LUT. This is where you're going to go ahead and click on the word none. And from there, you're just going to go ahead and choose your LUT. These are some previous LUTs I've used before. Or you just go ahead and go down to the one where you see choose custom LUT. And this is where you select where your LUT is located inside your Finder on your Mac. So you got your downloads, documents, desktop, wherever your LUT is. This is where you go ahead and locate it, and you'll find your LUT and install it. But my LUTs are inside of my movies folder. Click on your LUT folder, and then I just got one LUT here. It's my film LUT. I've used this LUT before, so I'm just going to go ahead and replace it. And there you go. So I can just see the LUT. So if I want, I can kind of adjust this LUT. If I don't want to use too much of it, put it in the middle, or kind of change it up a little bit. But this is before. I guess I'll play the video. All right, and this is after the LUT. I'm sorry. Bring that back up. So when you're looking at it, that was before. Now this is the after with the LUT. That's pretty much it. So just kind of go over it again with you guys one more time. So you're gonna find the custom LUT. You can either type it in the search box or just scroll down, drag the custom LUT over, drop it onto your video. Then you hit the word none, choose custom LUT, and just gonna go and find your LUT wherever it's located in any of your folders on your Mac. Click on that LUT and then hit open. And that's pretty much it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely you can go ahead and leave a like. If you want to share this video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely appreciate it if you do that. I'll probably drop some more videos. So I guess until next time, peace out.